What's up, homies? Welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. If you guys have a request, come to the Discord. That is where I will be looking for your requests for a tutorial. Link is right here and in the description. Today we are going to learn how to play Put a Little by Braddahoodz. So grab ukuleles, grab your Teach Me Tuesday notebooks, and let's go learn how to play. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so the chords for this song are as follows. Really easy, don't worry. We're going to play D, cover the top 3 strings here on the 2nd fret. And we're also going to play A, cover the top string on the 2nd fret and then the 3rd string on the 1st fret. Okay? Super easy. Alright, so the structure of this song goes as follows. We have an intro, then verse 1. We're going to go to the chorus, have verse 2, the chorus, and then repeat the chorus. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. Super easy. Really easy song. Promise. Let's play it along together. Okay, and there's an intro with the congas. And then start playing. He's going ah. Verse 1. Thank you guys for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like. And if you know somebody who wants to learn how to play this song, go ahead and share it with them. The link for the merch is in the description below, as well as the Discord, because that is where you can put in your tutorial requests. And I will see you guys next week. Okay then.